Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to turn off TikTok all notifications. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's start the video. First of all, you will simply open your TikTok application. So we have opened our TikTok application. You will simply go to your profile. So we will tap on the profile. So at the top corner there are three horizontal lines. You will simply tap on three horizontal lines. So here you will simply tap on settings. So at the content and display there is a notification. You will simply tap on notifications. So there are push notification schedule. There is a schedule also. You can turn off the notification by time to time. But if you want to turn off the all notifications, you will simply go back and you will disable likes, comments, new followers. So you will disable all of these notifications and your notifications will be disabled. So this is the simple process of disabling the all notifications of your TikTok. So if you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.